Schedule. Make your home more productive by scheduling your devices or automation rules to your requirements. Follow the steps to configure your schedule settings. Begin by launching the mydlink app. Access your mydlink app menu by tapping the menu button. Tap Schedules in the menu. To add a new schedule, tap Start. You can set a schedule for devices or for automation rules. A device schedule will allow you to set a routine schedule for your device to turn on or off. An automation rule schedule will allow you to enable or disable your preset automation rules at specific times. Tap Next to continue. Select your device or automation rule from the list. Tap Next to continue. Set a timetable for your schedule by tapping on the chart, then dragging the sliders to the time intervals that you want your schedule to be enabled for. Rename your schedule so that it's easily identifiable. When you're done, tap Save to continue. And that's it. Your new schedule will now appear as an option for controlling your smart home.